Now, Region 8 Storm Team Weather with Chief Meteorologist Ryan Vaughn.
Good evening, everyone. If you joined us at 5 and 6 o'clock, we were tracking some storms that were moving through parts of Region 8. Now, those storms way down to the southeast, and we kind of lucked out on that. Sure, they dumped some heavy rain a brief amount of time, and we had some gusty winds. May even had some pea-sized hail, but everything was below the severe criteria. You head over in parts of Tennessee, they had some tornado warnings and some wind damage in places like Nashville. So, yeah, we lucked out on that. But when it does rain again, you can check out Storm Track Doppler 8 right there on our homepage at KAIT8.com, but I'll tell you this, looks like it'll be another week before we'll be seeing rain on radar. Satellite and radar on the wide perspective shows that line of thunderstorms marching through parts of Mississippi, northern Alabama right now. And you can see how nasty they were when they were moving through middle Tennessee. Look up here off to the north. You see some blue up here and some pinks. That's mixed precipitation and even some snowfall. If you don't believe me, I've got video to prove it. Here's Eagle River, Wisconsin. Look at this. Not only was the snow falling, but it was actually sticking to the ground. Really not sticking to the roadways and wasn't causing a whole lot of problems, but that's the first video of snowfall that I've seen this season, but it's way up there in Wisconsin. Before you know it, we'll be seeing snow here also, but our first snowfall typically does not come until about the end of December on into January, so kids, we've got a long ways to go before we see some of that. Right now we're at 58 degrees in Jonesboro, it's 55 in Poplar Bluff, already down to 46 degrees right now in West Plains. Take a look at what Microcast is doing with the temperatures over the next 36 hours. Tomorrow morning, waking up at 40 degrees, 30s for places like Walnut Ridge, Poplar Bluff, West Plains at 36. Tomorrow afternoon, today we were in the 70s and even some 80s. Tomorrow afternoon, only low 50s out there. That's it. 20 to 30 degrees cooler tomorrow in the wake of that cold front. And if you think that's bad, look at what Microcast is doing with the temperatures tomorrow night. 20s for most of Region 8, 28 here in Jonesboro, 28 in Blount, 27 Walnut Ridge. How about 23 up in West Plains? That's a little taste of winter. Live look at Skycam. It's still shaking around a little bit. We've got right now a northwest wind at 13 miles per hour with gusts to around 22. We still have the clouds out there, 58 for our current temperature. There's that line of thunderstorms moving down to the south along with that cold front. Now the northerly winds are coming in, bringing in that cooler weather, and that's why it's going to feel much different tomorrow. The big blue H comes in as we head through the next couple of days. It means a nice clear sky, lots of sunshine, but that does not mean warm temperatures. 41 tonight, clearing out. The cold air arrives tomorrow, 52 degrees, much colder and still a little breezy. There's your 7-day forecast, 51 Wednesday, 59 on Thursday. Overnight lows do start to come up a little bit as we go toward the end of the week. By the weekend, back up into the 60s, maybe even 70 by Sunday. Now, Monday, 50% chance of thunderstorms. Some of those storms, I know we're 7 days out, but we need to start watching for our second severe weather season. Right. And that one kind of looks strong. Earth still has to spin around 7 more times. Things can change.
Yeah,
you got what I mean.
7 times, yeah. I got you. A lot can happen.
Yeah, it's going to be cold the next couple of days. Bundle up.
Yeah, maybe the 20s.
Maybe the 20s.
Not in Jonesboro.
Diet Coke.